Oh no! Oh no! Man! You got scared?
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Happy Halloween! How are you guys? Good. You can take 3 each. Whatever your favorites are. You guys making it all the way around tonight?
Yeah.
Covering a lot of houses? Getting lots of candy? Awesome. Push it. Hello! How are you guys? You can't even grab your own candy.
I know.
Your hands are too small. How are you guys? You having fun?
Yeah.
You can pick 3. Which 3 do you want? I'll pick them for you.
Sure, James.
Hey, Halloween! How are you guys? They get 3 each. You having fun tonight?
Yeah.
That's so cold, huh? That's pretty nice.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have fun tonight.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you later.
Come on, guys. I'm going to hold on to this. Go.
Happy Halloween! You guys can have 3 each. You guys having fun?
Doorbell, come on, candy.
What's that?
Oh, happy Halloween! You guys can have 3 each.
1, 2.
Are you having fun tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah? Lots of candy out there? Nice and warm?
I want
Like
the
your
decorations.
costume. Thanks. That's fun.
Bye.